So we have fridge that is not cooling, it's actually warm. So where is the compressor on this? Let's grab the model number on this guy. Let's see what I can do here. Model number CD 45 right there. Yes. And we have 10 ounces, 0.6 of R134A3 or 300 grams. Take a picture of this. All right. Now where is the compressor? Just gonna check. Okay, I think the compressor is right there. Yep. That's where the compressor is. So it's, oh, it's actually, okay, so the fan is working. Let me see. Let's see what we have here. The space is pretty limited, so I'll see what I can do here. Okay, so the compressor is working. Oh my goodness, I put such a long okay, I need some light and that way I can see. Just trying to see. So what do we have here? I can't really tell if it's the vibration from the fan or from the compressor. Okay. Let's see, where is the... Okay, so this has to come out somehow. Now, so now something leaked out in there, but okay, I'm gonna check the compressor. I'm gonna remove this plastic piece. Space is very limited. If I have to do here anything with compressor work. It's gonna be challenging. Okay. I need something to put under my knees. Maybe this. Sure. Like this. Yeah. Alright, let's test the compressor. Let's see if the compressor is good or not. That's a little tight space, but sure we can. Okay. Yeah, the safety fuse is good. Let's pull this thing out. Okay. Now let's see. 7.5. 3.2. 5.3. That seems to be okay. Let's see if I'm getting power. Let's turn that on. So power is going. This is your power from here. Let's see to here. Nothing yet. And you have the capacitor here. It's going to take some time. With those units, take some time until they actually start. Nothing yet. So let's wait. Our power is actually from here and here. So that's between here and here. You have the power. There you go. So we got the power. Good. But I really can't tell if the compressor is working or not. So, because there's a vibration from this guy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to disconnect the fan just for testing purposes, because I really wanna, it's too much vibration. I can't tell if the compressor is running or not. This one we can disconnect. Let me just see. Okay, so this one is actually, they have to be connected both. And I don't see, so they never done any repair on it, so that's the original compressor. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna start. I might, yeah, it should start. Okay, let's test. Okay, now let's see if we get power. guys, now when the fan is not gonna run, just I can tell compressor started or not. Otherwise I can't tell. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we have power. Yeah, compressor's dead. Okay, that's the problem. So we have power, but the compressor is not running. The piston is seized, so we need a new compressor. See, there's no vibration or nothing, and that's what I wanted to know, because there was vibration on this side and I couldn't hear the compressor. Okay, new compressor needed. Okay, that was easy, kind of. The diagnostic part took a little while, but it's okay. Okay, so we need a compressor here. Compressor shut, of course, new access valve, new dryer,